In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Steam password while logged in. So first, let's go to our account profile. So click on your account and then account details. And then over here, click on security and devices. And then over here, you'll see Steam account and change password. So if the reason that you're trying to see your password while logged in is because you forgot your password, and if you log out you'll never be able to get back in, you can just click on change password, and then over here you can email an account verification code to your email that you used in your account, and then the code will be sent to your email. You just enter it here and then you can click continue. And for example, I have the code right here, but I'm not going to show it for security reasons. So once you're done, just enter the code and then click on continue, and then you'll be able to change your password, and now you'll be able to remember it. And if you came to this video for another reason, which is to actually see your password while logged in, whether or not you're gonna log out, then the real answer to that is just you cannot see your password while logged in, because that's just a major security flaw in Steam. And yeah, that's about it in this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.